How to replace key fob battery of Toyota CHR, RAV4, Corolla and Camry in just 5 easy steps. Step 1. Remove the blade from the key fob by sliding the button from the top. Step 2. Insert the blade into the slot inside and twist the blade until the case opens in two. Step 3. Open the case and remove the electronic part where the battery is located. Step 4. Replace the old battery with a new one. Toyota CHR uses a standard CR2032 battery that you can find below in the video description. Replace the battery within 1 minute because otherwise the key may become unsynchronized. Step 5. Reinstall the electronic part and then reassemble the case. Then put the blade back into the key fob. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.